Hi, welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. It's Thanksgiving and we're getting in the mood, and today I am going to share with you our stuffing recipe. We are going to start off with unseasoned stuffing. Got it? Oh, you are so excited. We add special fresh ingredients along with some really great spices. One of my secrets is Jack's sausages. So we dice these chorizo sausages up and we put them in. You won't believe this, but from my garden, I still had rosemary, thyme, and sage all in my garden. Okay, I have assembled all my fresh herbs. So I have in here my parsley, my thyme, my sage, the rosemary are all in my little chopper. And I told you I love my chopper. And here we go. We will set aside all these fresh herbs to add to our mixture. Okay, so we are going to now chop up all of our onions. Love my chopper. So we're going to give that a nice swirl. I use some red onions and some shallots. And beautiful, all chopped up. I've assembled all of my ingredients. We have our chopped sausages, onions chopped up, celery, our leek, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. All together. Don't you want to start singing that song? Salt and pepper and our unseasoned breadcrumbs. My pan is on the stove. It's heating up. And we're going to be using about 2 tablespoons of margarine to start the saute. Gives it a little extra flavor in there, the margarine. Started with the onions and the leek. Okay, so we're going to add in onions and leek because our leek is a type of onion. So we want to be able to get that in our pan. Is the celery. This is 6 stalks of celery that we diced up. Again, let's let this saute for about 5-6 minutes. You'll start seeing the celery start to get a little bit soft. That's the consistency we would like. So our vegetables have been sauteed. They came out beautiful, a nice look to it. I'm going to set them aside in my little tin while I do the sausages. We like our sausages a little bit on the crispy side. And I'm going to take the sausages, let the pan get a little bit warmed up, a little hotter. Won't need to add any margarine because we have plenty of, from the sausage, you will have plenty of the oil coming off of here. We like them well done, so sausage is nice and brown and crispy, so time to assemble. We're going to take our herbs and add them right into our sausage mixture. Give it a nice whirl. I wish you can smell this. This stuffing right into the pan. Beautiful. I have 2 cups of chicken stock. Yes, it needed the 2 cups of chicken stock to go in here. And my breadcrumbs, sausage, herbs, all perfectly being blended together. And here it comes, my pinch of salt and our pinch of pepper. So we already have the rosemary and thyme in here. So a few swirls, we like it spicy, but remember my sausage is also spicy, so we're going to just use probably only a half a teaspoon of the pepper. Covering my pan with some margarine that will go on the bottom. So I am lining the bottom of my pan with margarine. We're going to be pouring in the mixture of the stuffing right into my metal container. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking our mixture, putting it right into our pan. Beautiful. This is a fantastic looking stuffing. We're not going to be baking it today. We will be baking it on Thanksgiving. So I will be bringing some extra chicken broth with me to pour when we heat it all up. Look at that. With all of it, our fresh herbs and our sausage, onions, celery. It's fantastic. Smells like Thanksgiving. Hope you all enjoyed Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen's recipe for Thanksgiving.